Good morning, Center 2. Let's practice some long division. When you click on the link, it will lead you here. You can choose this view. It's just a plain paper. You can choose that one and it shows you line, or you can choose this one. I prefer you use this one because it helps you to see the number place values. So this is what you're going to do, okay? So you're going to say that divides 6 into 2. 6 cannot go into 2, so my answer is 0. You're just going to drag the 0 and put it there. And then my next step is mom multiplies, so 0 times 6, that answer is 0. Just going to drag your answer and put it there. And then sister subtracts, you're just going to, it automatically writes the lines for you, so you can just click on it and put the line. And then you can say 2 take away 0 is, when it comes to numbers, you have to drag it. 2 take away 0 is 2. And then you want to bring down, bring down, and then that's going to be a 0, right? So now you continue 6 into 20. How many times can 6 go into 20? Okay, your answer should be 3. So we're going to put 3 here. And then mom multiplies 3 times 6. 3 times 6 is 18. So you're going to drag your answer here. 1 and 8. Then you're going to subtract. More on the floor. Go next door. Okay. Go next door and get 10 more. Okay. So this is not allowing me to mark. I can mark on it. This becomes 1. And I put that here. So 8, 9, 10. My answer is 2. I forgot I don't draw. I drag. And number is the same. 0 is the game, right? And then I continue. So you're just going to use the numbers to write the numbers there. Drag the number over. And then you're going to just click. If you just click and drag, like it draws the lines for you. So that's how you can draw your lines. And then when you're finished finding your answer, you just type in your answer here. So let's say my answer is 30. 34 remainder 0. I'm just going to put 34 remainder 0 and then I press OK. Please do not skip any. Please complete all. When you press OK, it will tell you if it's correct or not. In this case, I know this is not correct. So let's see what happens.
Incorrect.
Not correct, so I need to try again. So go ahead and complete this. There are 6 problems for you to complete, and then you can move on to the next activity.